Greetings from Trinity College, Kandy. I stand before you as the 20th custodian of our beloved alma mater as we embark on an important endeavor, the restoration of the Trinity College Chapel, preserving for eternity. It was the grand vision of our pioneers to express the convictions of Trinity, to give outward visible expression to what Trinity College is by building a monumental edifice in the most beautiful location of Trinity College. They set out to build a thing of beauty, to build for posterity and to build in the vernacular. And we have the Trinity College Chapel, which is so close and dear to all of us Trinitians. The monumental Reverend Alexander Garden Fraser, with the able assistance of his Vice Principal Reverend Gaster, aided by individuals such as Clement Tunambua, Siatu the Mason, Mr. Tennakon the Supervisor, gifted Trinity College with this marvelous artifact, a true temple, a true house of God. Today, it needs restoration and conservation. After a century of existence, the murals, the wooden pagodas, and the chapel in general needs to be conserved and preserved for posterity. It was with the assistance of the Trinity community, this chapel was built over 50 years. Parents, students, old boys, staff, and well-wishers join hands in contributing for that marvelous effort a century ago. Today, we invite the Trinity community to join hands with us in this grand endeavor of preserving this house of God for posterity. The Trinity College Chapel embodies our human endeavors to prepare a perfect people till the dawn of the kingdom, till His kingdom come, hence preserving for eternity. I invoke the Trinity community to join us in this epochal task of restoring the Trinity College Chapel. Respice Finem.